How to transfer Telegram data to new phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your Telegram and then go to your profile icon and then go to settings. Here make sure the chat settings or mm, the backup is turned on. So if you have a successful backup, then all you have to do is go to link device, and then if you are using for laptop, you can easily scan the QR code. But if you are using or if you are transferring data to new phone, what you will have to do is simply install Telegram in your new phone, enter your phone number, you will receive a verification code, and if all the datas are backed up, all the datas will also be transferred successfully to your new phone as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.